So when you log in with your ID, unique ID, it will come to this page, and you need to click on the um, here you see all courses. This is not the course that you should go into. So you should go to the all courses, and it should show the batch 8. As you see here, this is the correct course that should be selected. You should select this batch 8, Understanding Gita in 18 Days English by Namanishta Das Prabhu. So click on this. And what is the mistake we are doing is, once we see this screen, nothing is there, we just go to my courses. That is the mistake we are doing, but we should not do that. We see curriculum here, we should scroll down. Do you see a scrolling button here? You should scroll down. And there you will see, since I have taken, so these many chapters are open till now. So it will show preview. Click on the preview for chapter 1. It will take you to the quiz. So this is how you navigate correctly. And you are in chapter 1, again scroll down. When you come down, this is where, since I completed this first chapter, it is showing complete. So when I click on the second chapter, I need to scroll down actually. So it will say after you complete, you should click on the complete and continue.
But Prabhu, can you tell them that they have to look at all the slides and videos too? It will not allow you to unlock.
Yes. So when you once you complete this chapter, you should scroll down, and then you have the slides there.
So you have to go through the slides, okay? You cannot bypass each and every slides like he's doing it. And more, then there will be more under. And go, okay, Prabhu, go more down, please. The main page scroll. This also you have to look at. This is all you have to look at. You have to look at this Gita Mahatmya. Play it. It's recording. We can see what person is doing what. And scroll more down.
So you have one more video. Yeah.
Play video also, and then play, and then scroll down more after you play that. Play that video also. Play this also. Everything you have to go through. All these bhajans you have to play. Okay, that is why we tell you to take the quiz the same day, because it is tedious. And these are okay, scroll down more. This is Prabhu's class recordings. And then go up and click complete and continue. And so I guess you missed something. So after you do everything, it will allow you to unlock.
Yeah, if still something is it is saying lecture content logged, then you can go and do the clear browsing data. So clear browsing data, and then it will work actually.
Okay, so that is a very checkpoint.
So that's how I did for chapter 1. It was not working for me. So I did the clear browsing data, and then it worked for me.
Okay, so did you complete the whole scroll of the main page?
Yes, now it is going to chapter 2. You saw this?
Yes.
Now it went to chapter 2. So you have to clear the browsing data if it is not working. Now it is allowing me to go to chapter 2. So after you complete everything, after you complete similar way everything, you can click complete and continue for chapter 2 also. If it is not working, maybe due to your browser, so many data is there. That's why it is not allowing. So you have to clear the browsing data, and then it is allowing.
So now we have got into 6 chapters have already been completed. So we got into a lot of areas.
I completed only chapter 1, right, in front of you. So it is going to chapter 2 now. It will go.
But we cannot do a quick fast forward, no?
No, you can't. You can't do a quick fast forward. You have to complete one by one.
We are working hard to do this course. So the only job we are requesting all of you is to just enjoy the result of our hard work. Why to do fast forward? Krishna consciousness.
No, I'm only saying now that there are 6 chapters have piled up. I'm saying only from that point.
That's